man. How was it?
Unbelievable. Lots of fun. 13.3 miles. Work a view at the top.
Yeah. When you were really young, rode some motorcycles, right? But it's been a minute. What did you think of the e-Dirtbike?
I think it's pretty easy to ride, you know, so I think anybody can do it. Any girl can jump in this and just go and fly up.
No experience necessary, right?
No, super easy, for sure.
Joe is the only one with motorcycle experience. Everybody else was complete newbies. What do you guys think about these electric dirt bikes?
I think they're great. Cool. I was thinking, I could get into this.
In terms of ease, or
Very easy.
Yeah.
Once you kind of got the hang of it, you know.
beautiful day out today. Jeremy's shredding on the e-dirt bikes. Just friggin' can't get much better than this. Where did you grow up and what did you grow up doing?
Mostly mountain biking in southern Utah, downhill mountain biking. The electric dirt bikes are amazing, so much fun. That's the really cool thing about this is it's just so much easier for a beginner,
Yeah.
for somebody that doesn't have a lot of experience or confidence to be able to just jump on it and go and ride.